Congrats, guys! Congrats! Shucks. Ang tanong ngayon, gusto niyo pa ba mag-day 3? Gusto niyo pa ba mag-day 3? Yun ang the question. Kung gusto niyo bang mag-day 3, we better make it loud and clear para marinig ng producer gods. Siyempre, unang-una, congratulations sa mga naka-secure ng day 1. Sa mga naka-secure ng day 2. Pero sa mga hindi pa naka-secure ng tickets at all, if you want na may day 3, we have to make it very loud and clear na gusto nating magka-day 3. Yun ako I think. Kasi, may konti naman akong power magbulong-bulong. Pero syempre, kailangan mas malakas, mas madami tayo dapat ang mag-request. Ganun. Yung TikTok hindi masyadong madaming messages ang sabay-sabay nag-a-appear. Kaya parang ang bilis-bilis nawawala ng comments. Kita niyo ba yung mga TikTok namin kahapon? Ako, si Ate Yeng, Ate Kyla, and si Dong, si Jason, with our management representatives, si Ate Cynthia and si Jen. Punta kaming Napa. Tapos, it was like a last minute plan, so wala talaga kaming like reservations or anything. Pero, nung papunta kami, we were trying to make a reservation, pero parang yung online payment nila ata hindi gumagana. So, as in, pagdating doon, whatever was available, yun na yung kinuha namin. And then, habang naglalakad kami paloob, biglang may lumapit na parang representative of that winery or something. And then, sabi niya, magtanong siya, kayo ba si ganito? Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, sagulat kami kasi bakit siya lumapit, ganun. Tapos yun pala, may Filipino member ng VIP club, ng winery na yun, na nakilala kami, and she requested for us to be treated like a VIP, like her, in the VIP lounge area of that winery. And si Madam Reggie, thank you so much. So instead of just parang doing the tasting dun lang sa kung ano, whichever area was available for tasting, nandun tuloy kami sa VIP area, VIP lounge. Ganun. So, medyo napasarap yung namin. Medyo napasarap yung mga... Tas ang sasarap kasi ng mga wine na pinabigay nila sa amin kahapon. So, kung kita nyo yung TikTok namin, sabi willing kami mag-TikTok kahapon. If you haven't checked that out, go to our individual TikTok accounts. Kasi lahat kami nag-upload. Wala kayo. Which winery did you go? Shucks, I forgot. Anong grade ka na po? Sa salamin? Kasi nung maliit tingnan niyo mata ko. Sa salamin ko. Yeah. Ano ako? 375 and 350. This was supposed to be like a ramen, chicken ramen. Pero medyo konti lang yung broth. So nung nilagay ko na yung noodles, ano siya sabaw? Ninuot na lahat sa noodles. Wait, yes, it's Castello de Amorosa. Tama. That's the winery we went to. It was a little gloomy yesterday. Pero masaya naman. Masaya po rin. Tapos yun nga, dahil nasa naman kami. Nasa, parang yung VIP area nila was in the basement. So, hindi lang din na masyadong naramdaman that it was gloomy. Except when we were trying to take photos sa labas. Tsaka pala, sold out na yung Vocal Champs show in Creighton. So, maraming salamat po. And we'll also see you on the 22nd naman sa Chicago naman. Yan, sobrang excited na po kami. And that's, I'm sure, that's the reason why we stayed in today para makapag-review at makapag-aral ng mga songs. Kasi nga, like for me, 3 tours yung tinuhog ko. So, ang daming i-review. Ayun, but we're all very, very excited. Like, this is, out of all the tours I've been part of, this is definitely one of those tours na, aside from yung line-up, sobrang proud ako. Like, the actual show itself, sobrang proud kaming lahat. Sobrang gaan lang kasama ng mga kasama ko. Tapos nagkiklik lang kaming lahat. We just get each other's quirks. And alam na namin yung minsan kahit hindi kami nag-uusap. We just get each other. So, hindi kami, like, walang unnecessary stress. Ganun. If yung mga tao na kasama mo ay madali ding kasama. Ganun. Walang nagpapa VIP. Lahat tulong-tulong. Ganyan. So, thank you kay Dong, kay Ate Kyla, and kay Ate Yeng for making this tour. The Vocal Champs YouTube. One of the most fun tours I've been part of. And sobrang excited ako na sana next year naman, ibang lugar naman kami. Tas pala, may tour din si TJ. So, all the places in Canada we did not get the chance to go to this year. Yung Toronto, Calgary, basta yung iba pang mga lugar na hindi napuntahan ng Sariling Mundo concert tour. I think we're gonna go and visit, and then meron na ding US tour. So, talaga naman iba ang pag-arangkada ng boy palagi. Kape pala tayo, guys. Mag-isa lang ako nagkakape ngayon. Kaya in-order ko na lang. Hindi ko na pinupuntahan yung coffee shop. Kasi umuwi na si DJ. Kamukha niyo po si Casey Tendingan. Excuse me, sino ba yun? Acha. Sana magpunta din po kayo dito sa Dubai. Well, sana. I-request niyo po na dalhin din yung Sariling Mundo dyan. Like, make some noise. Make it known. Para marinig ng mga producers. And then, if i-fly nila si TJ dyan sa Dubai, who knows, I might also come with. Pa-flex ng long hair. Okay. So, the reason why I had to change my hair color into black muna is because kailangan magpahinga ng buhok ko. I have really thin hair. Hindi ko alam kung kanino ko naman na yun. I have really thin hair. And then, since 2020, late 2022, I think, the first time na nagka-COVID ako, I got so bored during quarantine na nagkulay ako ng buhok, yung blue. And then I fell in love with the thing. So, I kept that hair color until, like, this year. Kaya lang, that meant that because I was always on TV and doing shows, that meant na kailangan ko siyang i-retouch every 2 weeks or so. So, imagine nyo, kailangan i-bleach yung buhok every 2 weeks. That's like deadly. So, may mga buhok ako sa likod especially. Lalo na pag ako lang gumagawa ng hair ko. Meron ako mga buhok na medyo nagpipigtas-pigtas na. So, collectively, we just decided na ipahinga na lang muna yung buhok ko and then just turn it to black. So, naka-black. Pero, parang I got so bored. Tsaka parang sobrang tagal ko kasi naka-blue hair. So parang nung nakita kong black hair na ako, nagugulat ako sa sarili ko. Parang I felt like I didn't know myself. I felt so normal. Parang ganun. So, I asked my hairstylist at that time, sa Billboard Awards, I asked, si Jan Edrosalan. I asked if he could do like a messy mullet or something, and then he did. Kung nakita niya yun, I loved it so much. So, I did that I did that during the time ng between nung Billboard and then before we flew for TJ's tour. Kaya lang, just right before at I think nagkaroon lang ng mga visa problems and hindi makakasama yung hairstylist namin. So parang sabi ko, shucks. Mahirap gawin yung pagkabit-kabit pa ng hair extensions. Tapos, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako din yung hair and makeup ni TJ. So because we didn't have a hairstylist anymore, I was gonna do hair and makeup for TJ and hair and makeup for myself. And most of the time, we were only given like 2 hours to do that. Na malinis, sana 2 hours to do that. Ano mo gagawin? So, ayun. Nagpakabit ako ng temporary hair extensions. Ayun. Sa Jen hair extensions sa Timog. Si Miss Jen mismo nagkabit. But, I don't know. Kasi di ba yung mostly ang mga babae, parang they feel more confident when they have longer hair. But for some weird reason, I love it too. For some weird reason, I don't feel confident. Wala na nga akong, shucks, pimple ka na. Wala na nga akong, hindi na nga masyado mataas yung confidence ko. Sa mahabang hair pa, mas lalong, hindi ko masyadong na-feel na confident ako. Kanya, mas, ganun. So, I've been trying to contemplate. Aside from the fact na hindi na ako sanay na may mahabang hair na apakainit, kailangan ko itali, pero kailangan ko itali palagi, ganyan. But, ayun. Hindi ako sure. Should I keep it? Should I keep the hair? So, mahirap siyang yun. Or siguro baka yung next kong ipapakabit, baka mas more on like medyo mas wavy, para hindi ko siya kailangang palaging ayusin. I don't know. But I miss my colored hair. I think I'm eventually gonna go back to that. Parang ganun. I miss my blue hair. Parang it has become part of me. Parang ganun. As in talaga yung first time nakita ko yung sarili ko after ako nag-black hair, parang ako nagulat. Hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Yeah, my blue hair became my trademark. That is true. It has, it has sort of become a visual representation of what I am as an artist. Kapag nakita mo ako, parang medyo may idea ka na okay, this person parang likes to experiment and play around. Parang gano'n. And that is who I am as an artist. Parang gano'n. Ay, salamat pala sa mga nagbigay ng mga gifts during the first 2 tours. Maraming salamat. Wala na po sila sa akin ngayon kasi meron kami mga kasama na umuwi na. And si TJ din, umuwi na. So, most of those stuff ay pinauwi ko na sa Pilipinas. Kasi sobrang limited lang din yung weight allowance namin. Kaya ganun. Bagong gising o wala pang tulog. It's, for those who just joined in, and for those who just tuned in, I'm in San Francisco, but we're driving to Grayton Resort and Casino today after tomorrow or tomorrow for the Vocal Champs Tour. So I'm in San Francisco, sa Amerika po ako. Kaya hindi po umaga dito. Kakagising ko lang talaga pero hindi po umaga dito. It's mga 1 p.m. Pero dyan sa Pilipinas, ano pa lang? 5 a.m. Kamusta yung Aurora Borealis experience? So, that happened after kaming nag-show. Nasa iisang parang conference room kami nung time na yon. Tapos paano lang kami, parang ganun kasi kaming lahat eh. Kung nabasa niyo yung post ko sa Cornerstone about how grateful I am to be part of Cornerstone because Cornerstone is not just a company but it's a family. Totoo siya talagang gano'n. Like, hindi yun charot-charot, hindi yun showbiz, hindi yun like for the camera or for the post or whatever. Ganon siya talaga. So, during that day, after the concert, nagkumpulan lang kami dun sa conference room. Maliit lang siya na conference room, tapos may table pa sa gitna. So, masikip siya. Pero nagbabanding lang kami, ganon. Tapos, si TJ kasi, before the All-Stars Tour, sa tour pa lang niya, we've always been hoping to catch the Aurora Borealis. So, kasi diba nag-Saskatoon kami, nag-Winnipeg kami. Doon talaga sa mga lugar na yun, yung pinaka-mataas yung chance na makakakita ng Aurora Borealis. So, every single night, TJ would check his app. Kasi may app na pwede mong hanapin yung Aurora Borealis. Or like, yung probability of catching the Aurora Borealis. Parang ganun. So, nung time na yun, biglang pag-check niya, nandito! Meron, ganyan. So, but nung una, sabi niya, huwag tayo masyadong ma-excite kasi sometimes, totoo nga na meron, but sometimes it gets too cloudy na hindi din siya nakikita. Parang ganun. And then, we showed it to the producer and then she got also very excited for us. Tapos, kinontak niya yung friend niya para i-find out if it was true na meron ba. So, parang they found a photo na parang it was like seen ng parang from the backyard or something ganyan. So ako, I did not have my jacket, as in talaga wala akong jacket, meron lang akong pangpatong, but it wasn't like really doing anything, not even para sa wind. Para pang cover lang talaga siya. So we went to the van. As in, we all went to the van, we chased, we did not know which way to go. Alam lang pala namin, just head north. Nandun daw. So we were all very excited. Tapos nung medyo tumagal na, parang yung drive naging mga 20 minutes na. Parang hindi na ata natin maabutan, hindi natin siya makikita, ganyan. So we were already managing our expectations din. Parang, at least the ride, papunta, masaya. Kasi naglolokohan kami, nagtatawanan kami. Tapos, parang we stopped around like a really empty area. As in, sobrang empty na area. Yung, alam mo yung dun itatapon yung mga charot nga. Tapos, pagkalabas mo, like, it wasn't like dark. Alam mo may something sa langit, but it wasn't really it wasn't visible to the naked eye. Pero pag tinapat mo na yung camera mo, shucks! Ito na siya! So we all got very excited. Wala akong jacket. As in, wala akong jacket. Pero it was an experience. Like, I wish na sana nakita namin siya ng like, talagang like with our own eyes, na as in like clear. Pero ayun, nung nag-take kami ng photos, kung ano man yung nakita namin, like, sobrang ano lang. In the photos, it was much more clearer. And yun nga, like, the main reason why TJ and I were very happy that it happened is because magkasama kami. Parang gano'n. So that's the story. We took photos, all of us took photos and videos, and then we went home. Tapos after that, so nakabalik ata kami ng hotel, mga alauna na ata ng umaga or 2:00. And then we had to pack. Kasi maaga naman yung flight namin patawid ng Toronto. So yun, wala talaga sa aming may tulog ng araw na yun. But we were all very happy. And we were glad that we did go and chased. He went and chased the Aurora. Sana makita namin siya ulit. Kasi next year, diba, babalik for TJ's tour again. Sana makita namin siya ng mas clear. Parang ganun. Nakanood na po kayo nakanood na kayo HLA? Kami hindi pa. Ako hindi pa. Kasi, syempre gusto namin TJ magkasama kami manonood. Nasa na siya. Nasa Manila na siya. But, I heard sobrang ganda daw. Like, maganda na daw yung hello, love, goodbye, but hello, love again is like something else daw talaga. So we're all very excited. May tour din ba kayo sa Chicago? We're going on the 22nd po. Kasama ko po ang Vocal Champs. Please let your friends and your family know kasi yung Grayton ay sold out na. Ayan. At saka po pala, if you have not listened to my single Toyo, it's available on all digital music streaming platforms worldwide. Tungkol sa tao, akala niya naka-move on na siya, but you know the drill. Hindi yan totoo. Pasabi naman kay TJ Day 3, guys, tutulungan ko kayo, but we have to make a big impact para maramdaman talaga nila na gusto nyo talagang mag-day 3. So like, tweet about it, post about it, like, make this request known ng todong-todo hanggang sa Mars. Dapat marinig nila na, oh my gosh, gusto ba rin nila ng day 3? Ganun. What if London naman? Sana. Kasi sa, diba sa Europe, parang medyo rare na magkaroon ng malalaking shows or tours. Oo, I think it's costing or something. But, syempre, of course, if there's a really, really high demand na na gusto nyo pumunta yung artist dun, then it might actually happen. Base sa trailer, tingin mo ba iiyak? Shucks na daw. Base sa trailer, tingin ko ba iiyak ako? Iiyak kayo sa HLA? I bet. Kasi ganun namang kagaling na ganun kagaling na mga actors. Si Kath and si Alden. Oo, grabe, 155 million na ang HLA. And that's after, 3 days? Tama ba? 3 days after the release. Tama ba? 3 days or second day pa lang? Yes, manonood ka po pa ng Beanieverse? No, I wish no. But we might watch the live stream lang. Kasi nga nasa Amerika po kami. Sa mga hindi pala nakakaalala, I think it was 2021 ba? Nag-online concert ang Beanie and ang BGYO. Tapos, they asked me if I could be a guest dun sa concert nila, and I agreed, and we did Labo. And I think Labo ba? Parang kinanta nila yung Labo. Kinanta namin yung Labo pala. But wala po kayo sa ASAP, may schedule. We have been trying to make it work sa schedule talaga, pero sa ngayon hindi talaga po siya nagtutugma-tugma. But I think before the end of the year, mag-aasap ako. Mag-aasap talaga ako. Thanks for the gifts, guys. We love your brother Irmo. Thank you. TJ the Laundry Boy. Ay, hindi lang yun. Akala nyo ba? TJ din, naglilinis ng mga makeup brush ko. Nagpa-plancha ng damit. Ganun. Oh, kahit sold out niya na din yung day 2. Post ko yung picture, yung video na yun. Sold out Araneta Coliseum. Again. You sold out Araneta. You sold out the second day of your Araneta Coliseum concert in less than an hour. But your wife doesn't want it to get to your head. So she's asking you to clean her makeup brushes and iron the clothes. Wala na po bang day 3? Again, if you guys really wanted day 3, then make it known. Tweet about it, post about it, gumawa tayo ng ingay para marinig ng mga producer gods na gusto natin mangyari yun. Siyempre, kayo ang magdidikta nun. Sana lang Filipina, rinanad lang din si TJ. Oy! Nothing is impossible. Pero syempre, yun, depende din yun sa inyo. Ano naman oras sa diha, mama? I think it's... Wait, hindi pala ma-check yung oras. Day 2 ticket secured from Davao. Yay! Congratulations! Relationship advice, paano magpatawad? Shucks. Hindi naman ako relationship expert. But I think ang pagpapatawad, you do it not for the person na nagkasala sa'yo, but you do it because you wanna free yourself of the burden and the connection to that person. Kasi kung hindi siya magsasorry din, forever ka na lang bang sa kanya? Forever ka na lang bang konektado sa kanya? No, you don't give that person that power, na may power siya sa'yo dahil hindi siya nagsorry sa'yo. You give that to yourself. Pinapatawad na kita, goodbye. Ganon. Para wala nang wait. Pero forgiving doesn't mean na you're gonna allow that person to do that to you again. You forgive, but you don't forget. Yung ba nakisi mo rin Bisaya na Jungkook ito? Bisaya mo dyan siya. Si Jungkook siya. Bisaya kaayo si Jungkook. Paski in comments. May ba't gising ka pa? Alas 2 na ng hapon dito. I really like your song, Toyo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Asan ka ngayon? Nasa San Francisco. So TJ ay nasa Manila. Ako ay nasa San Francisco. Yes, please, power stream, Toyo. Make TikToks using the audio. Mga ganun. Ano mga ganap nyo? Ano mga bagong chismis? Chismis! Ay, pala, di ba kahapon din ata yung ticket selling ng concert ng Cup of Joe, and I think sold out na din sila. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-happy yung support sa OPM ngayon. Like, yung mga concerts yung palaki na ng palaki, tapos nasa-sold out agad, ganyan. Sana we keep that up, and we also give we also give chances to other artists din na pakinggan din yung mga kanta nila, because you might discover other great artists din na pwede nyo supportahan at pakinggan. But I'm really happy and I'm pleased with the support ng OPM ngayon, gabi. No? Kailan lang ba ulit nangyari yun? I mean, I think pre-pandemic, hindi palaging nangyayari yung once an artist announces a concert. Local artist, I mean, pag international artist, palagi naman. Pero, pag yung Filipino artist nag-announce ng concert, talagang sold out agad. Siyempre, except yung mga icons na talaga. Siyempre, na nila yan parang mall show na. Parang gano'n na lang yung mga malalaking arenas. But for artists na kakapasok lang sa industriya, it doesn't happen na ganun agad kalaki yung support na ganun. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. Nakakasaya ng puso na mas na-appreciate natin ngayon yung OPM. Ganda ng Toyo song mo. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Kailan ka po pabalik ng Manila? End of the month pa ako uuwi. Pag-uwi ko mga Christmas party na. Napakatagal ko na wala. Guys, bounce na ako in mga 10 minutes siguro para makapag-start na ako mag-review, mag-aral. Maboboard lang kasi talaga ako kanina kumakain ako mag-isa na walang kausap, kaya ako nag-live. And wala ko masyado energy na lumabas ngayon, so I'd rather review my songs. Sa mga nanonood na hindi pa pala naka-follow sa akin, I'd appreciate it so much if you follow me here on TikTok and all my other social media accounts. Sa Facebook, sa Instagram, kaya nandun ako. What? Dami pala natin kailangang abangan. Nang isang araw nag-uusap kami kung sa 22 kasi yung show namin sa Chicago, yun din yung release in theaters ng ng Wicked. So gusto sana naming manood. But of course, my show. So on the 23rd, we'll try before we head to the airport. But para manood naman. Wicked ako. Nakaka-excite. Ang dami mangyayari. So, nasawi sa day 1. Wala ding day 2. Kaya yan. Mag-request tayo. Mag-post kayo na mag-post. Mag-ingay tayo kung gusto niyo talaga ng day 3. As someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. Ang hatag iPhone. Ha? Ano ko mga hatag iPhone? Hinatag lang kong iPhones kung ba na. Guys, if wala talagang pang iPhone, wag na lang po na mag-iPhone. Doon tayo unahin natin yung ating mga basic needs. Hindi pa nga to updated yung mga phone namin eh. Because kami ni TJ, I think we don't see that it's gonna make much of a difference pag nagpalit kami. Tsaka okay pa naman yung phone namin. So, okay pa naman yung phone mo ngayon. Then, yun na lang muna. And spend on the more important things. Data secured. Congrats! Congrats. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring. Sana abutan ko yung showing. Dapat abutan. Gusto pa naman namin ni TJ mag block screening. Kailan yung selling ng tickets sa Canada tour ni TJ? Hindi pa ba niya pinapost? Siguro baka na yan. Baka January siguro. Don't take my word for it. Ako lang to. I'm just assuming na baka yan. Kasi, syempre, ngayon, mas magfo-focus muna sila sa concert sa Araneta. From flying so low, at least I'm try nakakang lips dali guys. My gosh, tugnan good kayo ba? At least I'm flying free to those who ground me. Take a message back from me. Tell them how I am defying gravity. Na 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 na. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, ever gonna bring me Okay guys, I have to go. Thank you so much for joining me. Maraming salamat. I hope to see you all very soon. Kung manonood po kayo sa show namin, kung isa ka sa mga nagpa-sold out ng Grayton show namin, maraming salamat. We'll see you the day after tomorrow, I think. And then, see you naman sa mga taga-Chicago na bumili na ng tickets. If hindi pa po kayo nakabila ng tickets, just follow our social media accounts. Check out our social media accounts para alam niyo po kung paano kayo makakuha ng tickets. And we'll see you very soon. We're so excited to meet all of you guys and sing for you guys and with you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you, and again, congratulations sa mga nakasecure na ng tickets para sa sariling nating mundo. Bye! Sariling mundo natin ba? Sariling mundo natin? Sariling nating mundo. Bye! Oh, how do you turn